How to use Virgin Money Point. Follow these steps. Earn points by using your Virgin Money credit or debit card for eligible purchases. Check your points balance in the Virgin Money app. Open the rewards section in the app to explore redemption options. Choose how you want to use your points: cashback, gift cards, travel, or purchases. If selecting cashback, redeem points for money back into your account. If choosing a gift card, select a retailer and redeem points for a digital gift card. If using for travel, book flights or hotels through partner programs. If paying with points, offset eligible transactions by redeeming points. Confirm your redemption and follow any additional instructions. Enjoy your rewards and continue earning points for future redemptions. Thanks for watching.